How to create a Steam account in your PC. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see a quick technique on how you can quickly create a Steam account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you need to head over to Google and just write Steam, and it will show you the store steampower.com. Just go in here. Now, if we want to create an account, doesn't matter if you already have one, we need to click on login. We need to create a new one from here. Once we click on the login, you need to scroll down a little bit until you see this option right here, which says create an account. Let's click here. And then we will just put in the basic information. Just fill in all of these details, click on continue. And it will ask you for the verification on your email. Let's check that. Here it is. So we will verify the email address, and now the email is verified. It will automatically continue. This email is already in use, so let's recover the account. So let's continue, and it will send the email to verify the email address. Let's just quickly check that. Here it is, the verification email. So we want to verify our email address, and now the email is verified. It will automatically continue, and we can name the account and choose the password. Now I am using Proton Pass, which automatically fills the password and recommends a good password. So that's a good application you can try. Click on done. It shows that you need a unique Steam account name. So this one is available. Let's click done, and now it's done. This is how you can create a brand new Steam account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.